Okay everybody, I'm going to start out over here in the oral care aisle where we have Colgate mouthwash on sale for $3.99. When you buy one, you're going to get $2 back in extra care bucks. And there's a limit on that of 2 per household. Now I'm going to be using 2 of these $1 off coupons. That is going to bring my total down to $2.99, and then I'll get $2 back in extra care bucks. So I'll be paying 99 cents each for the Colgate mouthwash. Okay, so next I'm going to come over to the aisle that includes the shaving items. The Gillette Venus razors are buy 2 get $8 back in extra care bucks. We do have these $4 off 1 coupons from the February Procter & Gamble. So I'm going to buy 2 of these. That's going to make my total out of pocket a little over $20. Then you're going to take off the $8 for the 2 coupons that I have. So I'm going to pay around $12 out of pocket, and then I'm going to get $8 back in extra care bucks, and that's a pretty good deal for these razors. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing a deal to use this $10 off 30 CRT that printed off for everybody at the Red Box. It is for L'Oreal, Maybelline, and Garnier products, and a couple other ones. So to use this, I'm going to be getting 2 of the L'Oreal boxes of hair dye. It says you can use L'Oreal Excellence or L'Oreal Preference. They're on sale 2 for $17, and when you spend $15, you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks. So when you buy 2 of them, you're automatically going to get the $5 back, and this is a limit of 1 per household. I'm also going to be using this $5 off 2 L'Oreal coupon. I was trying to get it to come into focus. So that's going to bring my total out of pocket for the hair dye down to $12 after this coupon, and then I'm also going to get the $5 back. So I'm going to grab 2 boxes of the hair dye. Okay, so my total out of pocket with the hair dye was $17. To get my total up to the $30 that I need to use this $10 off coupon, I'm going to be purchasing some L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. These are on sale 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you're going to get $5 back in extra care bucks, and this is a limit of 1 per household. I'm going to be getting 4 of the L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, and I'm going to be using 2 of the $4 off coupons from February 9th Retail Me Not. So with 4 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner and the 2 boxes of hair dye, that's going to put me at $33 before coupons, so that will put me above the $30 threshold needed to use the $10 off 30. Okay, so after my $10 off 30 comes off and I use my $5 off 2 for the boxes of hair dye, and I use both of the $4 off 2 for the L'Oreal Elvive, I'm going to pay $10 out of pocket. I'm going to get $5 back in extra care bucks for buying these, and $5 back in extra care bucks for spending $15 on these. So that's going to make that completely free. Now I'm also going to hit the beauty threshold of $30, so I will make $3 in extra care bucks on just these 6 items right here. Okay, so this is everything I'm going to get in this transaction. Let's head on up to the register and see how everything goes. Uh-oh. Something terrible must have happened in here. No makeup for us today. G6. Okay, here's that one. Okay, everybody, so that transaction went pretty smoothly. There were issues pushing through the $10 off 30, as there have been for most everybody that bought the L'Oreal or Maybelline or Garnier products that were in the advertisement. The advertisement shows that if you buy $30 in those products and you use your $10 off CRT that prints off at the red box, you'll save $10 instantly at the register. Now, the problem with that is the cash register is not automatically accepting that $10 off 30, so a manager or somebody else has to go ahead and push that through. But anyway, my girls at this CVS are absolutely amazing. They're very sweet ladies, and they work very hard to make sure that their customers leave happy. So they did go ahead and push that through for me. So here is what I got. I got 2 of the L'Oreal Excellence hair dye. That was on sale, 2 for $17. I got 4 of the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. And I got the 2 Colgate mouthwash, as well as the 2 Venus razors. Now today is the last day to do these deals. So if you still have your $10 off 30 CRT from this week, or you have not printed it yet, today is the last day to get this deal done. Down here at my coupons, let's see, $1 for the Colgate, $1 for the Colgate, $4 for the L'Oreal Elvive, $4 for the L'Oreal Elvive, $5 for the hair dye. And then the rest of these are, let's see, there was a $3 off digital for L'Oreal that came off as well. So that is going to be for the shampoo and conditioner. For some reason, the digital coupon is attaching as well as your paper coupon. It is a $3 off 2 digital, which is making a small glitch in the system because that makes the L'Oreal shampoo a moneymaker. So there's the $10 off that they had to push through. And the rest of these are extra care bucks that I had. Now, I did have a 25% off shampoo and conditioner coupon that I don't believe came off. After my extra care bucks, I paid $8.46 before tax. Tax really rips us off in the state of Ohio, so $4.49 for tax. Let's go down here. I saved 88%, which isn't too bad. I like to save 100%, but I didn't have that much money in extra care bucks. And it looks like my 25% off hair care did not come off, so that would have saved me a little more money. But here's my $8 for the razors. Here is the $5 for the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo and conditioner. The $5 for the L'Oreal hair dye. And the $4 for the Colgate mouthwash. So that was when you buy one, you get $2 back in extra care bucks. So after you take the $9 that I spent out of pocket before tax and the $22 that I got back in extra care bucks, I made $13 on this transaction. So technically, I got all of this for free, and I made $13, plus I hit beauty. Let's see. Where is it? Yeah, so I did hit my beauty, the $30 in beauty, so I will get back an extra $3 in extra care bucks in the next 48 hours. That means I made $16 on this transaction. I am completely happy with that.